Man, it feels so good today. Like 85 degrees. Oh man, it's freaking gorgeous out. Figured I'd do, get off your phone. Figured I'd do a third video test since the first two haven't gone well. First one sucked, second one was better, just wind noise. Let's see how this one is. I didn't have the that little foam cover thing that goes over the mic itself on all the way, so I think there might have been a little bit of air getting in through there. I also moved my mic to a different spot, so hopefully it's not too loud. Hopefully it doesn't catch me mouth breathing. So finally cut the tape off of that, but I need to retape it now. I'm just gonna go on a quick little ride around the lake again, just because it's close, just to do this mic test. After that I'm going home and I'm gonna, ooh, Firebird. Oh, so pretty. After I go home, my boy Mikey's coming over with his R1, and we're gonna change his oil real quick and then go on a ride. Oh, that kid is getting it. Oh, get it. Alrighty, here we go. That was a pretty decent first wheelie of the day, if I don't say so myself. My bike makes. He's out here getting it. Doing that. Why is there always somebody on this road, man? It's like it's a public road or something. Still did a little bit. I love going 30 miles an hour. It's actually my favorite thing to do on my motorcycle. Why would you want to go fast when you can just go 30? I'm about to pass this guy so hard in a second. He's not even going to understand what happened. Right about here? No. Yeah, no, no. Safety first, guys. Don't pass on a double yellow. Oh, there's gonna be so much dust right here, and it's gonna kick up all over me. And I'm gonna miss my pass. Oh, you're gonna... What a dick! Thanks, pal. I just kept that one low because I mean, the turn was coming up. I don't like doing it before hills, because what if there's a popo? Third gear wheelie time, third gear wheelie time. Oh my gosh. Of bikes. The thing is, they're building this huge trail around this lake. Brand new, smooth asphalt trail. Still use the road. I don't understand why bicycles, you just use the road. Like, who was the first guy that was just like, yeah, this is okay, I'm gonna go to a stoplight and sit here with other people? Listen to Wildest Dreams by Taylor Swift, and I mean, come on, go ahead and say what you want about it, but it's singing about the sunset. It's all chill. I got the sun on me by the lake. It's gorgeous out. I mean, it's a perfect song to listen to right now. And that bike just went by me, and I feel like we're kind of racing right now, just opposite directions. So okay, yeah, I mean, it's fine. You can back out. It's fine. I mean, there was nobody in front of me. At least it's turning. I ain't mad. There's the old plane flying area. Not steady. I can do 3/4 at least. I think I'm gonna go this way so I can do a couple wheelie boys. The fact that I took that tape off is amazing. It didn't really bother me while I was riding, but if I look down at my speed or something, there it is, just freaking limp dicking all over the place. I mean, come on. Turn green. There it is. Anyone? Yum. Alright, well, that's officially my second moto vlog. We'll see how the sound quality is on this one. If not, I'm gonna have to put that freaking feather thing on and trim it, because I put it on before I came out today, and man, I put that in my helmet and that thing was tickling my lip. Man, it was not good. So alright, well, that's all I got for now. Peace.